In the last video, we converted the quadratic functions f of x equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 10 and f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 9x plus 12 from standard form into the factored form. Let's do two more examples. F of x equals negative x squared minus 3x plus 10 and f of x equals 3x squared plus 36x plus 96. Recall that the first step when converting a quadratic function from standard form to the factored form is to remove the coefficient of x squared. By the way, this is also the first step when converting a quadratic function from standard form to vertex form. So in the first example, we factor out the 2, which gives us 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 5. In the second example, we factor out negative 3, which gives us negative 3 times x squared minus 3x minus 4. In the third example, we factor out negative 1, which gives us the negative of x squared plus 3x minus 10. And in the fourth example, we factor out 3, which gives us 3 times x squared plus 12x plus 32. You can validate if you factored out properly by using the distributive property. For example, 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 6x is negative 12x, and 2 times 5 is 10. The next step is to write the quadratic function in the form a factor times x plus or minus something in parentheses times x plus or minus something else in parentheses. We see that we have 4 different cases according to the signs in front of the x and in front of the constant. In the first example, we have a negative sign in front of the x and a positive sign in front of the constant. In the second example, we have a negative and a negative. In the third example, we have a positive and a negative. And in the fourth example, we have a positive and a positive. Now, how can we find these numbers? In general, we are looking for 2 numbers which, when multiplied together, give us the constant term, and the same 2 numbers which, when added together, give us the coefficient of x. So, which 2 numbers, when multiplied together, give us the 5? And the same 2 numbers, when added together, give us negative 6. 1 times 5 is 5, and negative 1 times negative 5 is also 5. But only negative 1 added to negative 5 gives us the negative 6. So the numbers we're looking for are negative 1 and negative 5. In the second example, we are going to find the numbers which, when multiplied together, give us negative 4, and the same numbers added together give us negative 3. I really encourage you to pause the video and find these 2 numbers. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, and 1 times negative 4 is also negative 4. But only 1 added to negative 4 gives us the negative 3. So the numbers we are looking for are 1 and negative 4. In the third example, we are going to find the numbers which, when multiplied together, give us negative 10, and the same numbers added together, positive 3. 2 times negative 5 equals negative 10, and negative 2 times 5 also equals negative 10. But only negative 2 added to 5 equals 3. So the numbers we are looking for are negative 2 and 5. In the last example, we can write the 32 as 4 times 8, or as negative 4 times negative 8. But only 4 added to 8 equals 12. So the numbers are 4 and 8. So if you follow these steps we did in these 4 different cases, the cases don't matter. Just look for 2 numbers which multiplied give you the constant term, and the same 2 numbers added together which give you the coefficient of x. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning everyone.